Welcome back to English Buddy Podcast. I'm Sam.
And I'm Sophia. How are you today, Sam?
I'm doing great, Sophia. Today we have a really useful topic for our listeners.
That's right. We're going to talk about going to the doctor. Have you ever needed to see a doctor when traveling, Sam?
Yes, I have. And it was a little scary because I wasn't sure what to say.
Exactly. Many people feel nervous at the doctor, especially in English. But don't worry, today we'll make it easy.
We're going to tell you a story about someone visiting the doctor. Then we'll learn the most important phrases you need.
You'll also get a chance to practice with us. By the end of today's episode, you'll feel more confident about doctor visits in English.
Before we start our story, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more content for you.
Yes, please. And now let's meet our character for today's story.
Our story is about Emma. Emma is visiting New York City for vacation.
On her second day, Emma wakes up and doesn't feel good. Her throat hurts and she has a headache.
Poor Emma. She thinks, maybe I need to see a doctor. So she searches on her phone and finds a clinic nearby.
Emma walks to the clinic and opens the door. She sees a receptionist at the front desk.
The receptionist smiles and says, "Good morning. How can I help you?"
Emma says, "Hello, I'm not feeling well. I'd like to see a doctor, please."
The receptionist asks, "Do you have an appointment?"
Emma answers, "No, I don't. Is that okay?"
The receptionist says, "Yes, that's fine. Can you fill out this form, please?" She gives Emma a form with questions about her health.
Emma fills out the form and waits. After 15 minutes, a nurse calls her name. "Emma, please follow me."
The nurse takes Emma to a small room. She asks, "What's the problem today?"
Emma explains, "My throat hurts and I have a headache. I also feel tired." The nurse checks Emma's temperature.
"You have a fever," she says. "The doctor will be here soon."
A few minutes later, the doctor comes in.
"Hi, Emma. I'm Dr. Lee. I heard you're not feeling well. Can you tell me your symptoms?"
Emma says, "My throat is very sore. It hurts when I swallow. I also have a headache and feel lean."
Dr. Lee looks at Emma's throat and listens to her breathing. "It looks like you have a throat infection," she says. The doctor continues, "I'm going to prescribe some medicine for you. Take this antibiotic twice a day, once in the morning and once at night."
Emma asked, "How long should I take it?"
"Take it for 5 days," Dr. Lee answers. "Also, drink lots of water and get plenty of rest. You should feel better in a few days."
Emma says, "Thank you, doctor. Should I come back?"
Dr. Lee replies, "If you don't feel better after 3 days, please come back. But I think you'll be fine."
Emma goes to the pharmacy, gets her medicine, and goes back to her hotel to rest. After 3 days, she feels much better.
What a relief! Emma could enjoy the rest of her vacation.
Now let's look at the important phrases from Emma's visit. These phrases will help you at the doctor.
First, when you arrive at the clinic, you need to explain why you're there. You can say, "I'm not feeling well," or "I'd like to see a doctor, please."
Very simple, right? I'm not feeling well. This is polite and clear.
Next, the receptionist might ask, "Do you have an appointment?" An appointment means a scheduled time to see the doctor.
You can answer, "Yes, I do. My appointment is at 2 p.m." Or, "No, I don't. Can I see a doctor today?"
Good. Now, the most important part, describing your symptoms. A symptom is a sign that you're sick.
Here are some common symptoms. Listen and repeat after me. I have a headache.
I have a headache. Your head hurts.
I have a fever.
I have a fever. Your body temperature is high.
my throat hurts, or I have a sore throat.
My throat hurts. It's painful to swallow.
I have a cough.
I have a cough. You're coughing a lot.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy. The room feels like it's spinning.
My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts. You have pain in your stomach.
Now let's talk about asking questions. You can ask the doctor, "What's wrong with me?" or "What do I have?"
You might also ask, how long will this last? Or when will I feel better?
If the doctor prescribes medicine, you should ask, "How often should I take this?" or "How many times a day?"
You can also ask, are there any side effects? Side effects are other problems the medicine might cause.
Another useful question is, "Should I come back?" or "Do I need a follow-up appointment?"
Let's also learn about the people you'll meet. The receptionist works at the front desk.
The nurse helps the doctor and might check your temperature or blood pressure.
The doctor examines you and gives you medical advice.
And after the doctor visit, you go to the pharmacy to get your medicine.
One more important thing, how to talk about pain. We can say it hurts, or it's painful, or it's sore.
For example, "My throat hurts," "My back is painful," or "My knee is sore."
You can also describe how bad the pain is. It hurts a little, it hurts a lot, or it's very painful.
Perfect. Now you have all the vocabulary you need.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice. We'll do a mini role play. I'll be the doctor and Sophia will be the patient first.
All right. So I'm at the doctor's office. "Hello, doctor.
Hello, what seems to be the problem today?
I have a fever and my body hurts."
How long have you felt like this?
"For 2 days."
I see. Let me check your temperature. Great job, Sophia.
Now, listeners, let's practice together. I'll be the doctor this time, and you imagine you're the patient at home. Ready?
Listen to Sophia's questions and answer out loud. Don't be shy. This is practice.
"Hello, how are you feeling today?"
Take a moment and answer.
"What symptoms do you have?"
Tell the doctor your symptoms. Maybe you have a headache or a cough.
"How long have you had these symptoms?"
Answer the question. For 1 day or for 3 days.
Okay, I'm going to prescribe some medicine. Take it twice a day.
Now you can ask a question. Try asking, how long should I take it?
Great practice, everyone.
Let's do one more quick practice. This time you're at the reception desk. Sophia is the receptionist.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
You say, I'm not feeling well. I'd like to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
You say, no, I don't.
No problem. Please fill out this form.
You say, thank you.
Excellent. You're doing so well.
Wow, we covered a lot today. Let's review the key points.
When you arrive, say, "I'm not feeling well," or "I'd like to see a doctor."
Describe your symptoms clearly. I have a headache, my throat hurts, I feel dizzy.
Ask important questions. How often should I take this medicine? When will I feel better? Should I come back?
Remember, it's okay to speak slowly. It's okay to ask the doctor to repeat something.
You can say, "I'm sorry, can you repeat that?" Or, "Can you speak more slowly, please?" Doctors understand.
The most important thing is to communicate how you feel. Don't be afraid.
Help is very important.
Knowing these phrases can really help you when you need medical care.
So, listeners, here's your homework. Yes, we're giving you homework, but it's fun.
Write down 3 symptoms you can describe in English. Practice saying them out loud.
Maybe practice with a friend or family member. Do a short role play like we did today.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in a real situation.
We're so proud of you for learning and improving your English. Every episode, you're getting better and better.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have many more practical English lessons coming your way.
You can also leave a comment and tell us what topics you want to learn next.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Stay healthy, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.